In today's video, I want to show you how to send Solana from your Phantom wallet to your Coinbase. So the first thing you want to do is click on the square on the top left and it'll open this sidebar. Then you're going to click on receive and it'll ask you what asset do you want to receive, and we're going to say Solana. And once we find and click on Solana, it'll bring us here. Now we can scan the QR code or we can copy the wallet address. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to copy the wallet address. And then we're going to jump over to our Phantom wallet. And in Phantom wallet, we want to click send. Now again, it's going to ask what asset do we want to send, and we want to send Solana. And now it's going to ask for that wallet address. Now we can just paste it from our clipboard or long press and paste. And now we can hit next. And now it's going to ask for the amount of Solana we want to send. Keep in mind, I don't have any Solana, so mine will be grayed out, but yours, you will be able to press next. Now, once you're done with your Phantom wallet side, the Solana should be transferred almost immediately. And just like that, you are done. You have just sent Solana. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, dropping us a like, and have an amazing evening.